Hi guys, Jeff here from TaT. Just to let all our members know that issue 99 should be hitting your letterbox any day now, basically. So another bumper issue of our magazine. Again, a big thank you to Castrol, who's on the cover with their high-spec oils. A good couple of articles in the magazine about oils, etc. Again, some great articles from Frank Massey about noise, vibration and harshness. What's new in the EV and hybrid space. A great product review by Brendan on the Bosch KTS evolution of their scan tool. A great read and a video there to watch. The centre stage focus, again, this particular issue is on oils, lubrication, etc. So Brendan and I have done a great thing there. Thanks again to our sponsors again from Castrol, Ryco and Cool Drive that got involved with our centre stage focus. So again, another great read. Make sure you have a good look at it. Should be hitting your letterboxes any day now. And again, if you want to get involved, you want to get your own copy of the magazine mailed to you, you want to join up to TaT, just go to the TaT website, tat.net.au, and click up on the Join Up Now button. See you next time.